In this English lesson, I wanted to help you learn the English phrase to fall into your lap. When something falls into your lap, it means you get it or it happens to you suddenly, and it's usually a good thing. Someone might say something like this to you: "Oh, I hear you got a job at the new factory. Did that just fall into your lap?" That would mean you didn't apply for the job. You weren't looking for the job. They just called you and asked if you wanted to work there. The job just kind of fell into your lap. So again, when something falls into your lap, it means you get it for free or unexpectedly. This sometimes happens with things as well. You might get a car because your aunt all of a sudden didn't need it anymore and she just gives it to you. You would say, well, the car just kind of fell into my lap. The other term I wanted to teach you today is the term a falling out. When you have a falling out with someone, it means you no longer get along. Sometimes in a family, two brothers might not enjoy talking to each other anymore. They might have a big fight, and then we say that they had a falling out. When you have a falling out, it's not a nice thing. It's not nice when two people, two friends, or two members of a family have a falling out, because it just makes things very uncomfortable for everyone else in the family, and I think families should get along. So to review, when you say that something fell into your lap, or when you say something is going to fall into your lap, it means you're going to get it unexpectedly or for free. And when you have a falling out with someone, it means that you had a big argument, you had a big fight, and now you no longer talk to each other. I guess you could say you don't see eye to eye anymore. It's just not a nice situation. But hey, let's look at a comment from a previous video. This comment is from Judith. Come to think of it, I may not have heard this phrase before. And my reply, well, I'm glad I could teach it to you then. So thanks for that comment, Judith. Yeah, sometimes I do find phrases that people have not heard before. That's always an exciting time for me. I'm always happy when I find things and in the comments people let me know that it was somewhat of a new phrase for them, because some of the phrases I teach are rather familiar. So thanks for that comment, Judith. Well, I'm out here walking on a path. We've been out on this path before on these lessons, but I thought I would come out here today because you can now see the fall colors are in full display, or on full display. Little mistake there, on full display. As we go into the middle of October, you can see that the leaves have turned from green to some yellows, some nice dark burnt red, we would probably call this. It's just a beautiful time of year out here. You can also see that when you walk along the paths, there's nice leaves on the ground. It's a nice, beautiful display as well. It's just a really cool time here in Ontario, Canada. The weather is still really nice though. It's a little chilly. You can see I'm wearing layers. Good morning, sir. I'm recording myself. You're not on the video, okay? Just so you know. So you can see I'm wearing layers. It's always good to wear a shirt and then a sweater and then a jacket around this time of year. It'll probably be somewhere around 6 or 7 degrees today, just a little bit chilly. Yeah, I do like to mention to people that I'm not recording them when I'm recording in public, especially early in the morning if they look a little bit grouchy. I like to make sure they know that I'm just out making an English lesson for all of you and not recording them as well. So I think that man maybe got up on the wrong side of the bed. I'm not sure. He looked a little grouchy, but anyways, I'm just going to keep walking so you can keep seeing. I just have a few more seconds, a couple more things to say. I enjoy this time of year a lot because it's nice and cool and there's a lot to look at. Anyways, thanks for watching this English lesson. I'll see you in a couple days with another one. Bye.